and this on 18th January. See what I marked, 22,992, 22,850, and the price should move higher, 1000 points in Nifty, and we already predicted this. Hello traders, welcome to the midweek market update. Today 5th February, Nifty ends today at 23,685 and Banknifty at 50,300. This is my view on Nifty I shared yesterday. See, only if the price opens gap up or moving speed above 23,800 or 850, then only we can expect higher levels in this wave, or we can have a pause, pull back, and the price may move higher. So the understanding here is I expect still more high prices in our markets. The thing is whether the price is reaching those levels in this particular wave or after a pullback or a pause. That is what I mentioned here. So further to validate, I mentioned these levels 23,800 to 23,850, and today's high was exactly 23,800, maybe 795 approximately, right? So the price not yet crossed our zone. So the wave counts for this approach is this one I shared yesterday also. So here the approach is we are in minor wave 5, whether it is wave A or wave 1, that we don't know now. Based on the next price action, then only we can understand it. But as of now, it's look like a 5 wave. So the question is, are we in the 5th wave of this particular impulse? So this is the primary view, and based on that only I shared those levels. So can we expect a drop from here? So for that we need to see certain levels. By seeing this chart, yes, the price facing resistance at our important level, so the price can drop from here, okay. But by seeing the character, there is a possibility of one more high, okay. We need to see there is a possibility of one more high in this particular wave, and for that the price may take support at this level or above this level, okay, approximately 23,625 to 600, right? This level 23,630 to 23,580, okay. Mostly the price needs to take support. If the price takes support here, there is a possibility of one more high within this particular wave. All these are on the assumption that this is the proper wave count. I will say an additional wave count for this particular price action, okay. This is the primary view, and as of now the price is moving as per our expectation. So there is one possibility of one more high. For that the price needs to move from here itself, okay, or else the price can take support between 23,625 to 23,580. But the price is declining, and the price crosses these levels with speed 23,625, 23,580. The price not getting support, and the price is moving lower in speed. The price can even reach the low of 23,200 to 23,140, okay. These are approximate levels. There is a possibility. That means the price declining below this channel and coming fast. Please understand that. Then the price can eventually reach 23,200 to 23,150. These two options are on the assumption that this is the wave count, okay. So the price has already completed, and the price can come here, okay. That's why I shared this level. Or else the price can take support here and move higher, and then it may start coming lower. So these two are possible for this wave count. Got it? See, all these levels and opinions are only to learn the Elliott waves. Don't take it as any sort of buy or sell recommendations. So probably this can take support and one high may come, and then the price may come lower. So this is as per this wave count. We need to see how the price reacting here, and this will confirm the next price action, whether we are going high or coming lower. There is one another wave count, okay. We already completed the wave 1 and we are in process of wave 3 like this. Okay. For this, the price needs to move above this channel. Please understand, for this to valid, the price definitely needs to move above this channel. Okay. We are clear, right? So for more upside, the price needs to come above the channel. Even though if it is valid, this can be wave 1 and wave 2 and start moving higher. In this case, the price can come to this gap zone, right? Okay, so don't get confused. This is the second review of already we are in wave 3. Primary, we are in end of this particular impulse, profit booking or the price may give a pullback or bounce. That's the primary view. For that, we need to see these two important levels of 23,630 to 23,580 because the price may take support right from here itself or in this zone and it can move above this high. Okay, to reach this channel top or even approximately 23,900. Okay, like this. Just now I said after a pullback right from here or here. This is the primary option. If the price not supports here, this can even eventually come to the gap zone and also even to 23,200 to 23,140. This is the view as per this count. If I go for the alternate view like this, okay, the price needs to move above this channel or else even this to valid, the price can reach the gap zone of 23,400 to 23,360. So the idea here is more upside is possible only above this channel. All other conditions, all other views says that there is a pause or a pullback. Based on the reactions each and every level, we can decide what wave we are in, right? I hope you are clear. So let us see how the price moves tomorrow. If the price moves right from here itself or this 23,630 to 23,580, that will decide the next price action and the next level of support, this channel and gap. If these levels are not supported in coming days, then as I said, this is the proper count 1, 2 or A or B. Got it? So this is the approach in Nifty and the same will applicable for Banknifty. See the price already very close to the channel and you know, I shared this view for Banknifty and this I shared on yesterday. Banknifty 50,000 as per the expectation, the price after a pullback, I will show this chart. To make the trend clear, see, understand this is the context here. To make the trend clear, I explained now in Nifty, right? See, I try to make very easy to understand these concepts. If you already know the Elliottwave, you can understand that concept which I said in the Nifty to know better which wave we are in, right? To make the trend clear, need to check around 50,200 and this can act as a resistance and if crosses this range, we can expect 50,500. This one I shared yesterday and yesterday's high was 5200 and today's high was 5500. See how precisely the price is stopping at our levels. Okay, so everything are discussed in yesterday's post itself. See the yesterday's high was 5200 and today's high was 5500. The context is the price, if the price crosses this range, this is achievable, right? And this is the chart for validating these levels and this high was the 5500. Okay, approximately. So as like Nifty, Banknifty also in same approach, there is a possibility of one high, but you know both Nifty and Banknifty are already at important resistance and we need to see how the price takes a support here. That will decide the next price action. Same like Nifty, the price can come lower and it can possibly move one more higher and come lower. Okay, for this to valid as like Nifty, we need to check these levels around 50,000 around 50,000, okay, around 50,000 to 49,800. I mark these two lines. 50,000 to 49,850 approximately. If the price takes support here, then we can see a one more high in this particular wave and the price can come lower. But if the price directly comes lower, according to this wave count, the price can eventually reach these levels of 48,900 for this wave count. At the same time, we have an alternate count like this can be 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5. As like Nifty, if it is wave 3, the price definitely needs to come out of this channel. And it can be even wave 1 of 3 and 2 of 3. In that case, the price can reach the gap level. Okay, same understanding as per Nifty. Combining both things, Nifty and Bank Nifty, we can understood that we are in important resistance zone for a short term. So possibly both Nifty and Bank Nifty can pause here or even come lower for our said levels. The only option to much higher price in this wave count is the price needs to come out of the channel, or else maybe a slight high, okay, this one, or else the price needs to pull back. To simply put, if the price not comes out of the channel, we can expect pullback or correction in markets for short term. And I still believe more highs are possible in February. See this one, this is only for those people who shared the negative comments. See, on 15th January itself, I marked these two lines 22,990 to 22,850 and I shared the price to come lower and move higher. This is on 15th January itself. Right from 15th January until the date of taking support, I set the same level, right? And this on 18th January. See what I marked 22,990 to 22,850. And the price should move higher. And exactly the price reversed. Even if you notice, the price took support 22,990 exactly and took a good bounce and come lower and 22,780 or something, 70 points below this point, and now it is approximately 23. Today touched 23,800, 1,000 points in Nifty. And we already predicted this, even the exact support. And even we discussed this level. This is for even on budget day. Even on budget day, the whatever we discussed in our video exactly happened in the market. See this one on Bank Nifty. Do you see any difference here? See this one here, okay? The price went higher, and came lower and came lower and moves higher and moves higher. This is how the Elliottwave wave shows the path to the price. That's why I named my course as Waves Leads the Price. If you understand the Elliottwave wave in proper way, you can understand all these price actions. If you learn Elliottwave waves, you can understand where will the price turn, and that also well ahead of time. These are very few examples. If you watch my YouTube videos and X post, there are a lot of times I share this. So I'll repeat that Elliottwave waves will show path to the price. So if you want to learn the Elliottwave waves in most practical way, you can learn my course Waves Leads the Price. I give all the details in the description. See, all the efforts I put in regularly is only to give you the importance of Elliottwave waves. You must understand the importance of Elliottwave waves. Once you learn the skill, it will be with you for your lifetime. All the efforts are only for the purpose of making you to understand and learn the Elliottwave waves and not any kind of recommendations. And if you wish to get the market updates twice a week, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you. Trade safe. Capital protection is important. We'll meet you in the weekend market update. Have a good day. Thank you.